Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy A50 temper glass. Actually it was bought from Flipkart. The actual cost of this one is 150 rupees. So let us do unboxing. This is the box packed by the Flipkart company. So cut it using the scissors without damage it. Like this. Otherwise cut it there like this and open it. See, these are the items inside it. Keep it there side. This is the bill. See the bill. This is 155 rupees. Seller name is Easy Beach Edge to Edge temper glass. So keep it there. I think in this inside temper glass is there. Yes, this is the temper glass, and this is the wipes, cleaning wipes. See, Samsung Galaxy A50 black. See, this is a nice temper glass, looking good. So edges and fine cuts and everything is very good. Fine edges are there. So later we will see how to apply it. This is the wet wipe and this is the dry wipe. So first you have to do this step and then this step. After that you have to apply this temper glass. So nice temper glass. So if you want to it, buy it. Now we will see how to apply the temper glass on it. Let us see. So clean the wipes using the wet wipe first. So thoroughly clean the dust without any residue on the screen by using the wet wipe. After you clean using the wet wipe, now clean the mobile with a dry wipe. So it will remove the dirt and the residue on the mobile, and the liquid which was cleaned by the wet wipes can also be removed using this dry wipe. After thoroughly cleaning the screen with the dry wipe, now take the screen guard and remove the backside cover and take it on your hand and place the corners and sides neatly. So before releasing this temper glass, please make sure that all corners and are perfectly matched. So after put this temper glass on it, just press on the center because it is a air bubble free, so there is no bubble inside on the temper glass. So don't worry, just place and see the corners of four corners of the mobile perfectly fit and release it. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to set right and live without bubbles. So like this you have to apply the temper glass for any mobile or any smartphone. So but make sure that it is correctly placed. So if you didn't place correctly, then air bubbles will be residue on this. After applying on this completed, just take the dry wipe and clean the on the temper glass. Now see how it is clean. Like this, I will provide lot more unboxing videos. If you like this one, please share it, subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.